Hey guys, this is a quick look for a simple halter dress sewn by me, Jackie the Needle. You see me sewing two pieces together. It is one piece that starts with a trapezoid shaped top down to a regular like bodycon fitted dress, and the other portion is literally the same thing from the under the bust area down, and that's what you see me showing here. I've pinned the edges, the raw edges of the trapezoid top, and I'm going to sew them so that it has a nice hemmed finished look. And that's what you see here. This next portion is me pinning that bottom portion that I said will stop under the bust if you trace it out before you cut the fabric. And I'm just sewing that down. And I'm going to give you a quick look at how it will look on the other side once you flip it the right way. Here is the top portion of the trapezoid shape pinned down. This is pinned as thick as it is because that's where I'm going to slide the strap for the halter tie. I'd like to cut some of my flyaways off in between. It's kind of like when you're cooking and you wash the dishes during so you don't have to do it afterwards. Here I am pinning the bottom of this halter dress so that I can sew it around the little edges there, and it will give it a nice finished look and provide stretch at the bottom of the legs. Like it'll fit, but it won't look flared or anything. You'll see at the end. Voila! Looks very, very nice. Here is the strap. It's about 2 inches wide. I don't remember how long, but long enough to look cute and have that dangly look on the back of the dress once you tie it. Here's when I'm cutting the, not cutting, but when I'm pinning the straps, what they used to call in middle school hot dog style. Just folding it in half the long way. And it's going to create that 1 inch strap look that's going to be super cute and dainty on the back of the dress. It should look like this once you're done pinning. Now I'm going to do a simple zigzag stitch along the edges. I'll remove the pins as I sew so I'm not sewing over them. For this portion, I like to get my strap to be turned the right way by putting the safety pin in what I call the spine of the seam. Then I push it downward inside of the portion that will be the right side out once we're done with this process. And this portion is what I call frustrating and satisfying at the same time. So just going to be quiet for the rest of this little section. There you go. And for this next portion, we are going to seal the ends. I like to fold the end of these straps inward and sew right across the top. It's simple, it's neat for the most part. And I'm going to continue using the white thread that I've been using because it won't stand out too much along against this yellow and white. And I also used a zigzag stitch here, but you can use a straight stitch. I just do that for the extra security when washing and drying. Trying to think ahead. A detailed view of how I fold the ends, seal the ends of my straps, and I like to fold them inward, of course. They're already on the right side. And I like to sew straight across. So, and what I do is where that seam is, I'll fold that flat like you're holding a burger in this case. And I like to make sure that seam, as you can see, is right in the middle, and I'll sew right across the top. Cutting any loose ends here so we can get a nice clean finish and a look at our strap. I'm so proud of us. We did it. That's how it looks. That's the top of the dress and the bottom. And I'm just cleaning up any stragglers I didn't catch beforehand. And here comes a look at the dress.